Hello everyone, this is Kooldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today we'll be looking at bank reconciliation with the help of Copilot AI in Business Central. So if you are aware about it or maybe you have seen it, I have already done a video about bank reconciliation in the past, but this one is a bit different because we will be using Copilot AI to do the reconciliation. So first we're going to search for the bank reconciliation. Here we go. We've got the list here, and then I'm just going to open one of them. And as you can see on the right hand side, I've got all the bank account ledger entries. So whether these are payments or receivables, you will have all of those written right here. And then on the left hand side, you will have your bank statement lines, which you can check and match with your current bank account. So in the old way of doing things, we would be going on to matching and then we will click on the match automatically so that we can do the bank reconciliation. But now with Copilot AI in Business Central, we can do it much faster and more efficiently. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the small Copilot icon up here and we're going to select the option to reconcile. And this is now going to generate the reconciliation for you. And as you can see here, it has already done the automatic matching of the different lines. And I am using a demo version of Business Central right now, so some of the information might be incomplete in my system, but on your side, you will be able to see all of the different lines that Copilot AI has been able to match, and hence you will be able to click on the different links here to access more information about the different transaction that has taken place. Now, once you've reviewed the information that has been given to you, you can choose to keep it, and you will see here it has already reconciled both of your accounts. And you can also then check your statement income as well as your total difference. Right now, it is not zero because it's taking the bank fees that I had in my bank statement lines. But let's say if we didn't have any bank fees, it would be zero. And so we can then say that this bank reconciliation has been done. As you can see, it was very quick, it was very easy, and we use Copilot AI in Business Central to do the bank reconciliation. So don't hesitate to try it out on your own platform and make sure that Copilot AI is enabled in your system. On that note, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.